Lesson: Warrant and Subpoena Compliance in Privacy Law. Warrant and subpoena compliance in privacy law is a critical area of expertise for information privacy professionals, especially given the increasing demand for government and court access to private information. Understanding the nuances of warrants and subpoenas, the legal frameworks governing them, and the strategies for compliance are essential for certified information privacy professionals. This lesson delves into the actionable insights and practical tools necessary for navigating warrant and subpoena compliance in privacy law, with an emphasis on real-world applications and enhancing proficiency in this subject. A warrant is a legal document issued by a court that authorizes law enforcement to perform a specific act, such as searching a location or seizing evidence. Warrants are typically required to demonstrate probable cause, meaning there is a reasonable basis to believe that a crime has been committed and that evidence of the crime is present at the location specified in the warrant. Subpoenas, on the other hand, are orders to produce documents, data, or testify in legal proceedings. They do not require probable cause, but must be relevant to the investigation and not overly burdensome. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for privacy professionals, as the legal obligations and compliance strategies differ for each. Compliance with warrants and subpoenas involves several steps, beginning with the verification of the document's legitimacy. Privacy professionals should first check that the warrant or subpoena is signed by an authorized official and falls within the jurisdiction's legal parameters. This verification process may involve consulting with legal counsel to ensure the document's validity and scope. Once verified, the next step is to assess the scope and implications of the request. This assessment should include an analysis of the information requested, its relevance to the investigation, and any potential conflicts with privacy laws or organizational policies. A practical tool for managing warrant and subpoena compliance is the implementation of a compliance checklist. This framework should include steps for verifying the document's validity, assessing the request's scope, identifying the data subject to disclosure, and determining the legal basis for compliance or objection. The checklist should also include procedures for documenting all actions taken in response to the warrant or subpoena, as well as any communications with legal authorities or affected parties. By following a structured checklist, privacy professionals can ensure a systematic and thorough approach to compliance, minimizing the risk of errors or legal challenges. In addition to a compliance checklist, privacy professionals should establish a robust data governance framework to facilitate efficient responses to warrants and subpoenas. This framework should include data classification and retention policies to ensure that information is stored, accessed, and disposed of in compliance with legal requirements. It should also involve regular audits and training to ensure that staff are aware of their responsibilities and the procedures for handling legal requests. By maintaining a comprehensive data governance framework, organizations can streamline their compliance processes and reduce the risk of data breaches or unauthorized disclosures. Case studies provide valuable insights into the challenges and strategies associated with warrant and subpoena compliance. One notable example is the case of Apple Inc. versus the FBI in 2016, where Apple was ordered to assist in unlocking an iPhone related to a terrorist investigation. Apple's refusal to comply, citing privacy concerns and the potential for setting a dangerous precedent, sparked a major legal and public relations battle. This case highlights the importance of balancing legal obligations with ethical considerations and the potential impact on public perception and trust. Privacy professionals must navigate these complexities carefully, often requiring collaboration with legal counsel and executive leadership to determine the most appropriate course of action. Statistics underscore the growing importance of warrant and subpoena compliance in privacy law. According to a report by the Electronic Frontier Foundation, the number of government requests for user data from technology companies has increased significantly in recent years, with thousands of requests made annually. This trend emphasizes the need for organizations to be prepared for frequent legal requests and underscores the importance of having a well-defined compliance strategy in place. To enhance proficiency in warrant and subpoena compliance, privacy professionals should engage in continuous education and training. This can include attending workshops, webinars, and conferences focused on privacy law and compliance, as well as obtaining certifications such as the CIPP. These educational opportunities provide valuable insights into the latest legal developments, best practices, and emerging technologies that can aid in compliance efforts. By staying informed and up to date, privacy professionals can effectively navigate the evolving legal landscape and ensure their organizations remain compliant with privacy laws and regulations. In summary, warrant and subpoena compliance in privacy law requires a comprehensive understanding of the legal frameworks and obligations governing these documents. Privacy professionals must implement practical tools and frameworks, such as compliance checklists and data governance frameworks, to effectively manage legal requests and mitigate risks. Case studies and statistics highlight the real-world challenges and trends in this area, emphasizing the importance of continuous education and training to enhance proficiency and ensure compliance. By adopting a systematic and informed approach to warrant and subpoena compliance, privacy professionals can protect their organization's interests while upholding the principles of privacy and data protection.